Hey, I just want us to breathe together. During these times, we all need to breathe a little bit more, and I wanted to remind you to use your oils because in 20 seconds, you can seriously change a mood. So this is one of my favorite techniques, and it's gonna involve rubbing your ears. So go grab your oil. I'm gonna be doing white angelica because it's been kind of my protection oil during this time. And also stress aways have been a favorite, harmony. I love forgiveness and also release. And these are from the emotional oil set from Young Living. But pull out whatever oil you have right now, okay? And we're gonna breathe together. And this is the breath work that I do in a lot of my energy sessions. So you want to drop an oil right there, and this is a pressure point. Then mix your hands in, and I like to kind of put it close to my nose because then I can already smell it. Okay, and then use your fingers and rub your ears. Pull out, go up, go slow, and massage them, give them love. Your ears in Chinese medicine have to do with your childhood years, 0 to 13. This is your kidney area and your adrenals. It'll help you rest more, so give it a little squeeze. Then go up one more time, because along the rim of the ears are all these pressure points in acupressure that have to do with your organs. And then give it another pull. Okay, and push back here for me. Take a deep breath in. And let it go. And when you let it go, you can really let it go out loud, like, if you want to. All right, let it go out of your mouth or your nose, whatever feels better for you. And now, I want you to take a deep breath in, hold it at the top for a second or two, and then really let it go. So breathe in light. Breathe out tension. Breathe in love. Breathe out fear. Breathe in faith. Breathe out doubt. Breathe in trust. Breathe out anxiety. Breathe in hope. Breathe out disappointment. And breathe in joy. Breathe out anger. Okay, so whenever you need someone to breathe with you, just pull up this video. I'm sending you so much love. So may you be free. May you find peace. May you have grace and courage.